Hello and welcome back to Dutchman Seb. Today we have the eagerly anticipated Suzuki Swift Sport, and this one, being the automatic, comes in at 336,000 Rand. So let's see what it's all about. If we have a look at the exterior for a moment, you'll notice how different it is to the standard Swift, with these LED headlamps coming as standard, this honeycomb grille, and also this fake carbon fiber that shows all around the car. It really does have an aggressive stance to it, and you also get new wheels. And if we just have a look at the back quickly, you get this very sporty rear with those two pipes at the back, and yes, they are real. The interior of the Swift Sport really manages to give you that sporty feel with all these red accents surrounding the car, as well as these bucket-like seats that give you great support going around corners, but may feel a little bit tight for the larger chap. Now, you get this touchscreen infotainment system in the car, which is new, and you can connect Android Auto and Apple CarPlay to it, and just underneath that you get these nice toggles for your aircon, and just below you get your USB aux output and your 12-volt socket. Now, other features in this car include reversing camera, parking sensors, as well as automatic lights. Now, you also get this multifunctional steering wheel where you can change through the screens in the center to view your fuel economy, your driving time, the clock, your G meter, your power and torque output, your acceleration and braking graph, and you can check how much boost you're pushing. So as you can see, it's a very well packaged car, and even with all of this, the car only weighs 990 kilograms, which is a massive weight saving over the previous Swift Sport, but that's just with this auto. The manual variant comes in at 975 kilograms, which may make you think that that's the faster variant, but with this auto box making gear changes very immediate, it makes it much more quicker. And Suzuki claim a 0 to 100 sprint of 8 seconds, but I'm not convinced. I think we should test it. Right. Traction off. 3, 2, 1. So as you just saw, Suzuki's claimed figure is a bit off, as we managed to do it in 6 and a bit seconds, which is really surprising in a car like this. But I suppose that's the overall theme. It surprises, and it gives you a lot more thrills than you bargained for. The only gripe I have about this car is the sound of it. It doesn't really have that sporty sound to go with the sporty interior and sporty exterior. Now, do you want to hear what that sounds like? Let's just do a quick rev test outside. Not that impressive, is it? So this car has a 1.4 litre booster jet engine which has a turbo, and it produces 103 kilowatts and 230 newton meters of torque, which doesn't sound like a lot, but as I mentioned, this car weighs 990 kilograms, which, as I just tested, does 0 to 106 and a bit seconds. I'm not making that the official time, but that's just the time I did. So this variant is the auto version, which comes with these flappy pedals, and it is quite responsive, but I wouldn't say as responsive as, say, a DSG gearbox or anything like that, but it does get the job done. And the steering of the car feels quite stiff, and you can really feel what's happening with the wheels on the road, and it gives you great handling in the corners as well with these sporty tires and the new wheels. That's it from me at Dutchman Seb. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really do like the Swift Sport. I think it's a great car, and considering it costs 336,000 Rand, it's not that bad for what you're getting. So yeah.